leaving Auckland today to explore with this guy.
Hi, good morning.
Our car is loaded. It's too early for me. It's 11:23 now, but technically it's only 6 in the morning in Singapore. So I'm okay. I'm excited.
Yeah, okay, we have beer.
So we stumbled upon this place. It's called
Wangari Falls.
Wangari Falls. So just stop by and check out the view. It would take 20 minutes to walk down there, but
No, thank you. I'm happy with this beer point.
yeah, we are happy here. This is only like what, 15 steps from the car, so
Yeah.
we are happy here. It's beautiful, but it's infested with bees.
Yeah, a little bit dangerous.
Yeah, so we can't get out of the car. So
Can I open the window?
no!
Just a little bit.
Don't do that!
It's for the bees.
No, I don't care. Look at that. This burger landed on your screen. Stop it! Hello. And I found a new friend. I think we're gonna give him a ride because he seems quite bored. So let me introduce you to my new friend. Ladies and gentlemen, please meet my new friend. Hello! How are you? Stop it! This guy is so lucky because he get to enjoy a view like that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, don't touch.
Look at that view.
Electric.
No, it's not.
It's not enough.
I told you it's not. This one's on a diet. Maybe this one is not. This one is fancy. It has clothes and everything. Oh. And the guys are like, oh my god, that's real food.
Be careful.
I'm scared actually.
He's mad.
You okay? You okay, buddy? You okay? This is not food. Don't eat my GoPro. Oh, you're so pretty. Can I bring you home? You want to come home with me?
Oh.
You're so cute. Yum yum. Okay, Bye, friends. Bye. Bye, friends. Luggage, one big fridge. We are definitely running away from home. And a pedal so I can pedal back to Singapore.
Here? New Zealand water.
New Zealand water. Good morning. We're on the road again.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, nice. Ice cream.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's like
Wow.
wow. We are greeted by this view. So beautiful. We haven't reached the bay. Oh, okay, we just reached the bay. I will show you how it looks like. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This place is really beautiful. I love it. Although it's really, really cold, but it's worth the long drive. It's worth conquering the cold. Just layer. It's fine. It's fine. So beautiful. Do you like this place?
Yes. A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just vandalize the bench. So if you guys come here, you can look for this bench. The bench is right here, right by the gate. Say hello to us.
Hello.
Not you. Stupid guy went off track and we got to the top of the hill.
Yeah.
Look at that. So beautiful.
This is the way, right?
Yes.
Look the way, the street. No, it's not that. It's another.
It's the same. You
No?
enter. Yeah, this is the track.
Yeah. But it's not really good. But anyway, it's easy.
Yay! Careful, careful, careful. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. We are alive. Taking a break, beer break, cigarette break.
Oh, look the sun.
Ah, the sun is out.
Tiranga, wait for us. Not show that for my mother
Why?
and my grandmother, okay?
Why?
Smoke.
How will I show it to them?
I don't know.
Sun. There is sun.
Now do you know why I really like travel by car?
Yeah, because you can stop anytime, you can go anywhere.